How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. I'm working on my 2019 Toyota RAV4. What I'm gonna do right now is something really simple to do, something that these trucks really need. Sometimes you drive it at night and only the light on the driver's side for your windows work. Your lock and unlock buttons don't light up, and to lock the windows, it don't light up. So if you can see right there, that's the only thing you're gonna see. I went online. So this is a Toyota part. Part number is 84040-06070. Link is gonna be in the description for this part. Actually, before I went online and I bought this part, I called my dealer where I purchased this truck, and they tried to get me for $99. I paid $41 plus $8 on shipping when I get this part. So that's the part number. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. So you have 2019 and 2020 RAV4, and you have the control just like mine, because I'm really not sure if the controls on the 2020 is different. I think it's the same. So if you have the control like mine that doesn't light up at all, you can get this part. This part is for a 2018 Toyota Camry. If you can see the part, I have the part right here. Everything is gonna light up now. Also, I'm gonna link this little tool to remove panels. It's gonna be in the description. This is a whole set. The only thing that you need to do is pry on this side. I'm gonna start on this side right here. Okay, once you put your tool, you can pry the whole part like that, pull it up and pull it to the back. Why you gotta pull it on to the back is because it has this little hook right here. This little hook, if you can see it right there, is gonna hook right in the corner. So when you put this back on, the part on the front has to go in first, so you can lock it in place. Once it goes in on this side, you can press it down. And with your same tool, you can press right here and pull. You're gonna disconnect this one. On the front, same thing, it has a little tap in here. Press on it. You press in this little tab and you can pull out the connector. Now, the only thing that you have is 3 screws. You're gonna see one screw right here, one screw right here, and one screw right here. Get all those 3 out to replace this part. I don't like to use power tools with these screws that they screw on plastic, so just a regular screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Get all those 3 screws out. Okay guys, so I remove all 3 screws. Once you remove it, it's really easy, just pull it out. This is the new part. Hopefully you can see it. It goes on the same place and everything match. So you can see the old and the new. Everything is the same. Now just put your 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. Okay guys, so I'm almost done with these screws. And for what I remember, on my 2018 RAV4, the only automatic window was the driver's side going up and down. The good thing about this 19, the all windows go up and down automatically, all 4. So I think on this control is the same, and that's what I like about this one. It's little things like that that it makes everything so convenient. Now let's do the connections. First this one. Okay, connected. Second one is gonna be this one. Okay, so and then you gotta go, and this little hook right here has to go first. Once that one goes in, push it down, make sure that everything locks in place, and that's it. Now that we have the new control, let me try it on. Alright, before only one light, after everything light up. The important thing is that we need to check if the windows go up and down automatically. Unlock, lock, everything works. So if you can see big difference now, it looks really good. Okay guys, so that's all I have for this episode. Really simple, easy to do, but believe me, I'm driving this truck and sometimes I have to look down and start looking for the switches. Kinda annoying. Changing to a 2018 Camry window switch, it makes everything a lot better, a lot easier, and it looks good. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.